beautiful. Let's see, we got a couple more here. Yeah, that one's good. And check these jets. Your main jet. Nice and clear on that. Very nice. I don't know if you can see that through that hole or not, but check these out. Make sure those are good. This has another little port on the side. Looks like it's working. Hate to put my mouth on it, but sometimes you gotta do that to make sure it's working right. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think I got everything I need right now. So we'll start reassembling it. So this one goes right there. I think I'm going to put it in my long. Clean off my socket, make sure there's no garbage on that. Put it in the socket and feed it in. Make sure you don't cross thread it. There it goes in right there. Lock that one in. And then you have this one here. That goes right there. And then you want to screw that down with a pretty good size screwdriver here so that you don't strip out those threads. Bam. Then can reinstall the floats. Just slide those down. And then you gotta take these little tiny little pieces. I usually just lay them down like this and press it on. And I got it close. And then you can take like a screwdriver or something and snap it down the rest of it. But sometimes it goes right on. When you press it down, there we go. See, you pretty much got that one on there. So your floats are in, moving up and down nicely. Then go to the first carburetor here, and you want to take one of these gaskets, put that over that little hole right there, and then you take one of your other pieces like this, make sure you match it up with the square side on that side, put that over, and take your other gasket, oops, and put that over, one on either side of this. Sometimes you just gotta use a tool if your fingers are too fat like mine. Anyways, line that up. Then get your, I don't know what you call that, the seat, right? Yeah, that's right. Put your seat on there. And take a, this is a 9mm, and just tighten that down. Just snug, you don't want to over tighten it. Then you can take your needle, just make sure that's working alright. I'm just going to wipe it off one more time. Stick it in the slot right there. And you got these little springs. Be careful to not lose these, because these fly off on you. And there's no easy way to stick them back on. just kind of feed it over that little lip, just like that, and that's where it goes, and it holds that needle, and your needle should go up and down really nice like that. Okay, then you want to take this is called your pilot jet. Let me just compare these two holes, see if they look identical between the two jets. Make sure I got a big enough opening. I'm just going to clean this one out a little bit more. I get a feeling there's a little bit of goop still in there.